Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Icon Plus. Today we are going to unbox Realme Buds Air 3. In this video we are going to check the advanced technologies used by these earbuds. In this video we are going to connect with the mobile and also with the application and going to explore some advanced features used by this Realme earbuds. Let's open this box. We have here stereo blue color and it is coming in three colors. One is stereo blue, nitro blue and galaxy white. These are the three colors, and here we have some papers with this. So basically this is a manual which shows how to connect and how to connect with the application and also phone, and also it shows some settings and also some options, how to answer the call, how to play the next song, how to pause. All these settings we can see here, and also some warranty information with this. We can scan this QR code and we can download the application and we can customize the settings. Along with this we are getting one cable and some ear tips. Maybe it's a type C. This looks like, and it is yellow in color. I expected it's white, but it is yellow in color. I like this color, and we can see Realme and power symbol here. Type C cable. Good. Let's open the ear tips. So we are getting small and large in this pack, and medium ear tips with the earbuds which are packed in this case. Let's open this. A glassy look. Inside this glass we can see Realme logo. We have only one LED indicator here, and this LED color changes when it is in low battery and also while the case is charging, and also it blinks when the earbuds are ready to pair. I like this glassy finish. It's feel very nice when we touch it. Noise cancellation on these earbuds are very good. 42 dB noise cancellation. It uses dual microphone, 1 feet forward and 1 feet backwards, and eliminates the noise. It uses advanced ANC technology, no wind in your way. Realme adopted T-Wind technology, which reduces wind generated by the diaphragm vibrations and gives all-round better noise cancellation. These earbuds are certified high noise cancellation performance by TÜV Rheinland. If we talk about the playback time, 30 hours of total playback time and 22 hours when noise cancellation is on and transparency mode is on. It's a combination of case charging time and also the earbuds time. Only earbuds charging time, it's a 5.5 hours with the noise cancellation on and transparency mode on. For pairing we have to press this button here and we can connect with the mobile Bluetooth. 10 minutes of charge will give 100 minutes of listening time. Again, it's only in a normal mode. When it is in pairing, we can see the light blinks and the color changes. So we can save the settings here. We can open Bluetooth settings from here, and we can on and off some settings, features from these settings. So if we close the case, it automatically disconnects, and we can also disconnect from here. If we close, it will disconnect, and if I open, it automatically connects. We can find the charging level here. It is showing as 100% in these settings, and we can also see the individual charging level for each earbud and also the case in the application. Let's download this Real-Link application and connect with my earbuds. As we can see, we can manage many devices from this application like smartwatches and earbuds and fitness trackers. You can see the charging level of individual earbuds and the case. So we can manage noise cancellation, normal and transparency mode from here, and also we can manage bass boost and balance, bright, other settings like customized tuning, volume enhancer, gaming mode, and we can also connect a dual device connection. From this we can connect to two devices. We can test fit test, earbuds fit test, and in-ear detection. In-ear detection will detect the earbud if you are wearing or not. If you are not wearing, it will pause the song. The audio tuning customization, it will create the profile for us based upon our ear sensitivity. It has IPX5 water resistance only for earbuds. So that's it guys. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and like, share and comments.